Hello folks, this is just another update on my DIY koi pond. The snow is now on the ground. Its temperature is minus 6 degrees Celsius outside here, and you can see we have plenty of snow on the ground right now. We have some sunshine is coming, but it's cold. And as you can see, the pond freezes up a bit now, and the ice is on and off right now. As you can see, the LED is turning red. I mean, it is on right now. My bubbler is still running, but it got moved down from the water lily stand. So I might need to readjust that later. But yeah, this part of the pond is frozen up now, as you can see. And it's a bit windy today. You can hear the noise from the pine tree over there. Yep, windy and cold. The fish is way at the bottom now. As you can see a little bit at the bottom there, but no sign of fish. They're probably hiding inside the cave now. Little tube that I make for them. Let's check the temperature of the water inside my shed, or my filter house. Whew. Well, it is at 1.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, windy. Yes, windy. I smacked my door there. Broke last time already. Down there. I did it again. Oh well. Anyway, that's my gazebo enclosures holding up there. Keep the snow away from that area, so I can keep some of my furniture inside there. But yeah, snow is here and it's cold. The pond will eventually be all frozen up, and I will be able to walk on it probably by February maybe. But yeah, the bubbler and the deicer are working over there, so hopefully that will get some oxygen down to the water for the fish, and hopefully it'll be okay again this year. Well, that's it for an update, folks. Take care, stay warm and stay cozy. Bye for now. Cold.